Have you ever wondered who birthed the science of society? Well, that would be the intriguing character, Auguste Comte, a man whose ideas would shape the way we study society forever. Born in the late 18th century, Comte's life was one of intellectual curiosity and revolutionary thinking. Comte was the first to coin the term sociology, a blend of the Latin word socius, meaning companion or associate, and the Greek term logia, which pertains to study or science. This new discipline, sociology, was Comte's ambitious project to understand society using the same scientific principles that the natural sciences use to comprehend the physical world. Comte believed that by studying society scientifically, we could better understand our world and the people within it. He yearned for a society where fact, not superstition, guided our understanding and actions. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's delve deeper into Comte's theories. How did Comte view the evolution of human thought? This question takes us right to the heart of Comte's law of three stages, a theory that maps the journey of human intellect across the corridors of time. Comte proposed that human societies progress through three distinct stages of development, each representing a unique way of understanding the world. Let's dive in. First up, we have the theological stage. This is the earliest phase where people used gods and supernatural forces to explain the inexplicable. Lightning wasn't just a natural phenomenon, but the anger of Zeus, earthquakes, the wrath of Poseidon. This stage is characterized by a reliance on mysticism and faith to navigate the complexities of existence. Next comes the metaphysical stage, a transitional phase between theological and scientific thinking. Here, abstract forces replace deities as explanations. Instead of gods causing natural events, it was concepts like nature or fate. The world was still magical, but the magic was becoming less personal. Finally, we arrive at the positive or scientific stage. This is where observation, experiment, and logic take the wheel. Supernatural and abstract explanations give way to empirical evidence and scientific reasoning. It's the era of Darwin, Curie, and Einstein, where mysteries are unraveled through the lens of science. Comte saw this journey from the theological to the metaphysical, and finally to the positive stage, not as a random drift, but as a necessary and inevitable progression, a march towards rationality and away from superstition. Comte saw these stages as an inevitable progression, culminating in the scientific understanding of society. What is the cornerstone of Comte's sociological theory, you may ask? Well, it's none other than positivism. Positivism is a philosophy that reveres the power of scientific knowledge. It holds the belief that the only authentic knowledge is scientific knowledge, and this knowledge can only be obtained through positive affirmation of theories using a rigorous scientific method. Now you might wonder, how does this apply to Comte's study of society? Comte believed that just as the natural world operates according to laws of cause and effect, so too does the social world. He argued that by applying the scientific method to the study of society, we could discover these laws and use them to improve human life. In essence, Comte wanted to apply the same methods of investigation to the social world that had proven so successful in the natural sciences. He wanted to move beyond mere speculation about how society works. He wanted to actually prove it. This approach was groundbreaking. Comte was the first to apply the scientific method to the social world in a systematic way. This was a radical departure from the philosophical speculation that had dominated social thought up to that point. And so Comte's positivism became a fundamental aspect of sociology. It established a solid foundation for the empirical studies that have since become a mainstay of sociological research. Indeed, Comte's positivism laid the groundwork for empirical studies in sociology. His legacy continues to shape the field to this very day. How did Comte propose we study social phenomena? Well, he introduced two key concepts: social statics and social dynamics. These are two sides of the same sociological coin, both essential for understanding society. Let's start with social statics. This branch is concerned with the forces that hold society together. Think of it as the glue that binds us, the shared values, norms, and institutions that create order and stability. It's about understanding the structure of society and how it maintains harmony. On the other hand, social dynamics focuses on the forces that bring about social change. It's the engine that drives society forward, fueled by conflicts, innovations, and revolutions. It questions how and why societies evolve over time. These concepts are not just academic jargon. They are practical tools to dissect, analyze, and predict social phenomena. Just as Comte transformed our understanding of society, His theories continue to influence the field of sociology today.